Spot the real metal. 1 of 5. Number 1. Fuel Dispenser Brushed Switch. Built-in carbon mesh for total anti-static protection. Number 2. Motion Control Label. Mirror silver ink with a smoked screen window. It hides structures, but shows clear display. Number 3. Gas Pump Keyboard. Fox metal grains. Embossed keys with metal domes. Great click feedback. Perfect metal match. Number 4. ATM Keyboard with a top and bottom silver printed circuit layer. Vandalproof and engineered for 24/7 all-weather performance. Number 5. LCD Module Overlay. Sleek dual-tone metallic printing for a premium finish. Comment your guess below. 3, 2, 1. Time's up! The real metal is number 4. Did you get it right? SNT Electronics Fox metal switches look real and save your costs. Contact us today.